Good morning, kg1. How are you today? I hope you are all well. It's our math time, and we're gonna talk about subtraction. Subtraction. Look at this. What can you see here? The green one. What is this sign? Do you know what is this sign? Well, we call it minus. We call it minus. We call this sign minus. And what about this sign? You know it. We call this sign equal. We call this sign equal. So when we say minus, we mean this sign. And when we say equal, it means this sign. Well, look at the next page. What do we have here? We're gonna talk about subtraction. Look at this. Look at these pineapples. We have many pineapples here. I want to eat some of them. For example, let's count the pineapples. Let's count and write each number we talk about. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many pineapples here? Excellent, 4. So let's write 4. 4. Now I want to eat 2. I will eat 2. I'll eat 2, so I'll make a cross on 1, 2, on 2. So I'll eat how many? 2. So let's write 2. When I eat, it means what? I take away or I add. Excellent. It means I take away. When I eat, it means I take away. And when I take away, when I hide, it means I subtract. I what? Subtract. Okay. When I subtract, I put which sign? Which sign do I put when I subtract? I put this sign, which I call a minus. We call this sign minus. When I take away, it means minus. So here we have 4 minus 2. Then we put equal. Then we put equal. 4 minus 2 equal what? We said that I have eaten 2. I have eaten 2. So I took away 2. How many are remain right now? How many pineapples? 1, 2. So how many pineapples are remain now? 2 pineapples. Excellent. Here we have. Let's write it in orange too. Well, let's write it in orange. 4 minus 2 equals what? Equals 2. Excellent. So 4, when I take away 2, how many are remain? There are 2. Well, now look at the lemons. The lemons. 1, 2, 3. How many lemons are here? Here we have 3 lemons. 3. Let's write 3. Wow. 3. How many lemons are here? Here we have 3 lemons. I make a cross on how many? Look, there's a cross on how many? There is a line on how many? 1, 2. So there are 2 lines. So I eat 2. I use 2 lemons. Well, when I use or when I take 2, when I take 2, it means what? It means that we said I subtract. I what? Subtract. And when I subtract, It means which sign? Excellent. This sign, minus. Minus. This sign of a subtraction. So when I eat 2 from 3, so it means minus. And here we put equal. 3 minus 2 equals what? How many lemons are remain now? When I took away 2 lemons, how many remains from the 3? 1. Just 1 lemon is remain here. So 3 minus 2 equals what? Equals 1. Excellent. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. What about the next picture? Look with me. We have here some grapes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many grapes do we have here? All the grapes? 4. Excellent. And how many grapes have lines? Here's 1. So here let's write 1. Now, which sign I'll put when I put a line? And when I took away a 1 grape. So when I take away, it means which sign? Think with me. Well, excellent. Minus. When I take away, it means minus. And then I put which sign? Excellent. Equal. So 4 minus 1 equals how many? Now what will we do? Well done. We'll count the other grapes. 1, 2, 3. How many grapes are remain now? 3. So 4 minus 1 equals how many? 3. 4 minus 1 equals how many? 3. What about the next picture? Count with me. Here we have some pairs. 1, 2. How many pairs are here? 2. Here we have 2 pairs. Well, let's write 2. 2. I'll put a line on how many pairs? 1. Just 1. So let's write 1. Here we have 2 and I put a line on 1. I will eat this pear. When I eat it and when I take it away, it means which sign? Excellent. It means subtraction. Subtraction. I subtract a 1. I take away 1. I subtract a 1. Which means which sign? Minus. Excellent. Then I put which sign? Equal. As usual. 2 minus 1 equals how many? 2 minus 1 equals how many? Let's count. 1. 2 minus 1 equals what? 1. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Well, now let's see the last pictures. Here we have some bananas. Some bananas here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the bananas are 5. Let's write 5. 5. We will eat some of these bananas. How many will we eat? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. I'd eat 3 bananas. I'd eat 3 bananas. When I eat 3, it means which sign? When I eat or when I take away? Excellent. It means minus. Minus. And here we put which sign? Equal. Well done. How can I know 5 minus 3 equals how many? We count the remaining bananas. Here we have 1, 2. How many bananas are remain? 2. Excellent. So here we have 2 bananas. 2 bananas are remain. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Well, look at this page. It's our math game. Now, let's answer these together. Here we have, let's count these. We have some apples here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 apples. 4 apples. 4 apples. Here I have which sign? Which sign is here? Excellent. Minus. This sign is minus. 4 apples minus what equals what? 4 apples minus how many? Let's count these only. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here we have 2 apples. 4 apples minus 2 apples. So I'll make a cross on how many apples? On 2. Well done. 1, 2. 2. So here we have 4 apples minus 2. So I make a cross on 2. So I count only this part. Only this part. Let's count. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here we have 2 apples are remain. Well done. Great job, kg1. Well, here we have some pairs too. Here we have some pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pairs are here? They are 8. They are many. They are 8. 8 pairs. I'll eat 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So I'll eat 3. So I make cross on how many? On 3. Well done. 1, 2, 3. So here we have 8 pairs. I make a cross on 3. How many pairs are remain right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. 5 pairs are here. So when I make a cross on 3, here we have how many pairs? 5. 5 and 3. Well, look at the cherries. Here we have some cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cherries are here? They are 5. We count it by this one, not one by one. Here we have 5. Now let's count these cherries. 1, 2. 1, 2. So I subtract 2. This sign is minus. When I have minus, it means I subtract. Here we have 5. When I subtract 2, I make a cross on 2. 1, 2. How many cherries are here right now? 1, 2, 3. How many cherries are here? 3. Why that? Because 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Well, look at the last one. Here we have some oranges. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. How many oranges are here? 3. 3 minus how many? 1. Well done. So we will make a cross on 1. We don't look at this side. We don't care about this side. Just this side. We here just take away. So how many oranges are here? 1, 2. How many oranges are here? 2. Here we have 2 oranges. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Well done. Great job, kg1. Now let's look to another thing. Here, classifying the data. Well, look, here we classify the data. We classify the shapes. For example, look here. That's the square, circle, star, triangle, and heart. Here we count each of them and write the number in these squares. For example, let's start with the square. Let's count all the squares. They are blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many squares do we have? 7. Well done. Let's write 7 in the square. Well, what about the circle? How many circles do we have? Let's count them. The one you count, make a cross. Well, 1, 2, or let's count it with a different color. 1, 2, no, sorry. Let's make it with red as it was. It's already counted. Now count with blue. 1 circle. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many circles do we have here? We have 7 circles. Well, count them again. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we have forgotten this. Don't forget. That's why we make a cross. 8. So how many circles do we have? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's write number 8. Wow. Here we have 8 circles. Let's count it. Let's count the stars. The stars, they are pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see anyone else? No. Excellent. They are 6 stars. Well done. 6 stars. What about that triangle? The triangle. Here we have the triangles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see anyone else? Any other one triangle? No. So they are how many? 6. Excellent. Like the stars, they are 6 too. They are 6, like the stars. Well, the last shape is the heart. Well, let's count the heart. Let's count it with which color? Well, with this color. Let's count the heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see any other heart? Excellent. There are how many hearts? 5. Let's write 5. Right after me. 5. Well, is it easy? Now we know how to classify the data. We know all the objects. Here we have 7 squares, 8 circles, 6 stars, 6 triangles, 5 hearts. Look, the stars and the triangles are equal. Here we have 6 stars and 6 triangles. They are equal. Well, now let's classify the data by color. Now we count by colors. For example, we count only the red shapes. Only the red shapes. Let's count only the red shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many red shapes do we have? Here we have 6 red shapes. Right, number 6. What about the green shape? The green shapes. Green. Let's count only the green ones. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many green shapes do we have here? 6. Excellent. Here we have 6 green shapes. Well, let's write 6. So we said we have 6 red and 6 green. What about the white blue? The white blue. Let's count the white blue. Well, let's count it with green. Well, 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Anyone else? No, not this, because it's a dark blue. But these are white blue. So they are 1, 2, 3. Anyone else? No, they are 3. They are how many? 3. What about the yellow ones? The yellow. Let's count the yellow ones, the yellow shapes. 1, 2, 3. Anyone else? Any other shape? No. Excellent. So they are 3. 3 yellow shapes. Well, what about the last one? It's a dark blue. Dark blue. That means blue. Let's count the blue. 1. Here we have 1 blue. 1 blue shape. So let's write 1 here beside the blue. Is it easy? Is it easy for you? Okay, see, look and listen to this. There was a monkey who lived. Listen. There was a monkey who lived in a zoo. There was a monkey who lived in a zoo. He loved to eat bananas. He loved to eat bananas. Yeah, there was a monkey. There was a monkey.
Once upon a time, Monkey had 6 bananas. He ate 2 bananas. How many bananas were left over? 4 bananas. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 bananas were left over. One day, Monkey had 3 bananas. This time, he ate just 1 banana. How many bananas were left? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. He had 2 bananas left. The next day, Monkey was excited because the zookeepers gave him 8 bananas. Monkey was hungry and devoured 5 of them. How many bananas did this hungry monkey have left? 3. 8 minus 5 equals 3. The difference was 3.
There was a monkey who lived in a zoo. There was a monkey who
One afternoon, the zookeepers gave Monkey 7 bananas. Lucky Monkey! He quickly ate 6 of the bananas. How many bananas did Monkey still have? Just 1. 7 bananas minus 6 bananas equals 1 banana. Just 1 left over. The next afternoon, Monkey was given 2 delicious bananas. He ate both of them. How many bananas did he have left over this time? None. 2 bananas minus 2 bananas equals no bananas. He had 0 left this time. 1 week later, Monkey hit the jackpot. His trainer gave him 10 bananas. He ate as many as he could, but could only finish 5 of them. How many bananas did Monkey have left? 5. 10 bananas minus 5 bananas equals 5 bananas. The difference was 5.
There was a monkey who lived in a zoo. There was a monkey who lived in a zoo. He loved to eat bananas. He loved to eat bananas. Yeah, there was a monkey.
Well, did you listen well to the song? Well, now we know about the subtraction and about the classifying the data and shapes. Okay, see you soon, kg1. Goodbye.